Hi guys, you are welcome to our Coreldraw tutorial video. Inside this video we show you how to design corporate flyer design. So choose your A5, click on box, right click inside your image, then this transparency tools, bitmap the power clip, edit power clip, left click to adjust, shift page up, that's our eye to apply shadow effect. Blur, okay, going to look like a shadow. Flip, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. You have the background, then our logo. Left click to adjust. Increase, flip. This is our image to include. Power clip, by right click and drag. Right click to edit power clip. Copy and paste. Adding the color by left click. Ctrl C to copy and paste. Left click to change the color. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. Can you see it? I try to include magenta to the shape. Shift page down. Try to adjust the color. Power clip inside by right click to drag and right click to edit. Power clip inside. Right click to drag in and right click to edit the power clip. Then you see the finish by the left side, or you hold Alt to adjust. Alt and click and left click to adjust. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste to have our new layer of shape. F10, To adjust the logo, F10 to adjust the logo, then left click to drag to bring the text in. We have our text already. That's box. I'm trying to apply the color. To copy the color from one side to another, right click and drag, and you will see copy fill. I try to add the color to differentiate. Left click and drag to adjust. F10. Highlight to change the text case. Left click to adjust. Highlight. Or reduce it. Can you see it? Please kindly subscribe for more videos like this on our channel. Just common shape to draw the location icon. Red, then you draw circle you to trim the inside, then you flip, left click to adjust, to move, then the rectangular box, right click to give outline, left click to right click, F12 to give out outline, then left click on empty box to remove the color, to let it be empty, Ctrl Q to convert, and double click with F10 to break apart. Right click, double click to break, then you adjust your location icon. So please kindly subscribe for more video like this on our channel. box, then to give it a caption, flyer design, and you left click, b-spine, no polypi to intersect can you see it, and then of color, F9 to zoom. Thanks for watching again.